Right, so further to my email, I'm just going to show you how fast the turntable spins. It's about 70 RPM at whatever speed you set. As you suggested, I've set the tone arm and counterweight correctly as per the cartridge's requirement. And now I'm just going to turn it on and show. I'm afraid to use an actual record because because it's spinning so fast, it would actually damage both the needle and the record. So I'm just going to use the app which basically counts the turn rotation. So here you go. I'm just setting this on the 33 RPM and take this out of the groove. Now just to show, that's the speed I got, 75.84. And let's do another one at 44 RPM. And there's a lot of motor noise as well. Again, 75.37. Thank you.